Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a rare model. We are pleased to show you the 2017 370Z. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, HID headlights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player, security system.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.